Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, I'll show you everything I ate this week on a ketogenic way of eating to maintain my weight and to try and figure out my maintenance macros. Remember when you watched this that I am on a maintenance calorie macro-centric keto right now, that I am trying to figure out if I can stop losing weight. And so if you're looking for videos on how to lose weight, I'm going to go ahead and link those here for you to find. But I hope you get some great ideas for your own keto meal plan. Let's get to the food. Hello everyone, it's Wednesday, and this is going to be a different first meal of the day I haven't tried before. I actually got this recipe from Allie McWowie when she was doing, actually, ironically, a cut. I am actually doing maintenance, but I think it's going to work to add it in. If it tastes good, I don't know. So I don't even know if I got the ratio right because she didn't really even give a ratio with hers. I did 2 eggs and 2 ounces of cream cheese and 1 squirt of lemonade meal. I have not tried this yet, but supposedly mixing eggs and cream cheese and microwaving it, I did it for 90 seconds, turns it into like a cheesecake kind of thing. So I'm going to try this and see how it goes. I don't know if it's going to be something I do a lot. Then I have 30 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese that I fried, and 100 grams of 2% Valle or Phage brand Greek yogurt, sweetened with Mio water enhancer. I use this to sweeten my yogurt, and I also put some lemon flavor one in this cheesecake thing. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, I'm going to try it. Let you guys know what I think. I don't know if I got the right ratio. It tastes good, but not really like a cheesecake. It's like egg with lemon flavor. I think maybe I need more cream cheese. Maybe next time I'll try doing 2 ounces of cream cheese and 1 egg. It's not bad though. It's food. It's good. I'll eat it. Alrighty everyone, this is my second meal for the day. I'm eating this in the car as I head to dance class. I am having 1 Primal Thin bar, 1 package of regular plain old almonds, and a string cheese, and that is going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Wednesday night, and I am having one of my keto favorites, 100 grams of spaghetti squash, 5 ounces of chicken breast, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, and a 1/4 cup of Rouse marinara. And I am having a chocolate raspberry keto cakes from keepingitKetoCakes.com. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, here I am at Commonwealth School, and I am having Protein Quest chip nachos again. It's my new favorite for going to school. I have 3 ounces of 90-10 ground beef, 1 package of Quest nacho chips, 1 package of holy guacamole, 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, 3 tablespoons of salsa, and 2 ounces of shredded cheese. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Just got home from Commonwealth School, and this is going to be my second meal. I'm just going to have a Primal Thin bar, some Munchies peanuts, and 1 keto cake from keepingitKetoCakes.com. This is their chocolate chip version. They are so good. They have almond flour, MCT oil, monk fruit. Pretty awesome. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Friday, and I am heading out at 9 a.m. for a meeting. As you saw yesterday, I never ate a third meal. I was just kind of already hitting my macros, and I never got hungry last night. So I got busy, and I never ate. So I'm breaking my fast early because I'm now starving because it's been like hours since I've eaten. So I'm just going to start with my gas station type meal with a keto cake. This is butter pecan or something like that. Keto cake from ketocakesutah.com. 40 grams of spicy peanuts, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, and a Primal Thin bar. That's going to be my first meal of the day on my way out to my meeting. All right, everyone, it's 2 o'clock, and I am having my second meal of the day. So I have that egg cream cheese concoction. Today I only did 2 ounces of 1/3 fat, less fat cream cheese and 1 egg, so we'll see if that's any better with a little bit of Mio water enhancer and a dash of salt. I have 80 grams of strawberries, 30 grams of center cut bacon, and 1 cup of 0% Valle Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer. That is going to be my second meal of the day. Hello everyone, it is Friday, and I am having a 8-ounce New York strip steak with 2 cups of cabbage, and 1 tablespoon of butter. That is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Saturday, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. I am breaking my fast at 1 o'clock p.m. This is 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of part skim mozzarella cheese that I fried, 2 fried eggs, 60 grams of strawberries, and 1 cup of 5% Faye Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade, Mio, water enhancer, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Saturday night. It's been 3 hours since dinner, and this is going to be my last meal of the day. It's 9 o'clock p.m. and I am having a Primal Thin Bar, 28 grams of spicy peanuts, 60 grams of strawberries, and 100 grams of 5% Faye Greek yogurt sweetened with acai berry storm Mio water enhancer, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Sunday. It is 2:30 and I am finally breaking my fast with my first meal of the day. I am having 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, 2 fried eggs with a tablespoon of spicy low carb salsa, 1 cup of 0% Faye Greek yogurt with lemonade Mio water enhancer, and a cup of Creo brew with stevia, and 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Sunday night and I am having fajitas. This is flap steak with about 100 grams of peppers, 30 grams of onion, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 ounces of cheese, 4 tablespoons of this really cool liquidy guacamole stuff that we found, and a couple of tablespoons of salsa. I'm also going to have a keto cake, and that is going to be the last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Monday, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. It's about 11:30. No, what time is it? Noon, huh? Oh my gosh. It's 12:30 p.m. and I am about to break my fast with 30 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1 fried egg, and 130 grams of 0% Faye Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. I am here at the Done Studio and this is my entire haul. I am probably not going to eat all of this. I'll probably eat half this, and maybe all of the rest of it. So that's going to be my second meal of the day. It is now 4:30. Alrighty everyone, it's Monday night. It is 8 o'clock and I'm about to have my last meal of the day. I am just having 4 ounces of chicken with a cup of mixed veggies and in some broth with 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. It's basically chicken soup with heavy whipping cream to make it creamy. That is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday. It is 1:30 in the afternoon and I am breaking my fast with this, which is going to be my first meal of the day. So today I am having 1.5 eggs, and I do mean 1.5 because one of them was teeny tiny, so I am just counting them as basically 2 small eggs. 1 tablespoon of low carb salsa, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, 75 grams of avocado, 30 grams of bacon, center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella part skim mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, and 130 grams of 0% Faye Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer, and a Coke Zero. The macros for this meal are about 45 protein, 45 fat, and 6 carbs, so that's perfect for what my goal is, to split it up into 3 meals of about 40 and 40. So that's pretty good for today. I'm getting more of a handle on how to do this as the days go by, and I'm hoping in the next 2 weeks we'll know for sure if it's working for maintenance. Alright everyone, it's Tuesday night and I am having a skillet pizza for dinner. So the crust is 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese, basically fried in a pan with a little bit of sauce on top. We only used a tablespoon of Rao's marinara, 5 pieces of pepperoni, and 2 ounces of ground chicken breast. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week on a ketogenic way of eating to maintain my weight. I hope that I gave you some great ideas on some keto meals that you can try. If you're wanting to get started on a ketogenic weight loss journey, go ahead and join us on Facebook. The link is in the About section below. Don't forget we have awesome merch also linked below that you can purchase to support this channel. And we also have a Patreon account. And those of you who join my Patreon will be able to have my extra videos like Tammy's Tidbits and Recipes 24 hours before everybody else on YouTube as a thank you. Well, thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon. Bye.